DNS server. DNS server is a server having a database which holds public IP addresses and their associated host names or domain name. It translates those domain names to IP addresses as requested by the user system, and DNS server runs special software to communicate with each other using special protocol. Now let us discuss how the DNS server works, but before that we need to learn about DNS. DNS or domain name system is a decentralized naming system for computers containing some resources and which is connected to the internet or a private network. Each networking device has unique set of number which is known as IP address of that device, and when any device wants to communicate with another device in a network, then it is only possible to find that intended device by its unique set of number which is known as IP address. But the problem is that it is not easy to remember the IP address of those devices which we want to request in order to access its resources. That is why the DNS plays the vital role to let us remember the short name instead of those complex number while we are going to fetch resources across the network. It is enough easy to remember the short name as facebook.com instead of remembering 69.176.13.69. So the DNS domain name system is a process of mapping an unique short name with a unique set of IP address for a particular device in a network. Now let us talk about the DNS server. So the DNS server stores all public IP addresses along with its associated short names, that is domain names, or we can also say host names. When our system sends request to any server over the network through its domain name, let's say facebook.com, then our request will first go to the DNS server. Then the DNS server will search the IP address of facebook.com from its database. Now after finding the IP address of that requested domain name, then DNS server will send back the IP address to our system. Now our system comes to know the exact IP address of its associated domain name like 69.176.13.69 for facebook.com. So now our system will find the intended server, that is the Facebook server, by the unique IP address as 69.176.13.69 over the internet directly. If any system requests the resource from any server over the network through its IP address instead of domain name, then the service of DNS server will not be used. Therefore, the system can directly access another system over the network by searching through the IP address directly. If the same request is processed by using the domain name instead of IP address, then the DNS server will play its role in between those two devices. That is why when we access any server or any device that is connected in a private or public network through its IP address, then it responds quicker to compare when we request through domain name, as it takes some more seconds by the DNS server in between to search the intended device IP address from its database and sending back to the calling device to re-access again with the IP address.